Sabaidi, hello everybody. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a glass noodle soup, okay? Because a lot of people asking me and they want the ingredient, but today I'm gonna do a little bit different way because from last time. And the first thing I'm gonna mix the ground pork first. Have some little bit salt, white pepper, about pinch, okay? And this one Korean soy sauce. I put in the scoop like this. It's more easy for me. And I have some sesame oil, little bit, tiny, okay? Some cooking oil. Have some green onion and mix. Oh, one thing, cornstarch. Why you make you add cornstarch? Because cornstarch is don't make the meat too hard, okay? Mix like this. I'm gonna add some ginger and lime leaf. You wanna add lime leaf is fine. You don't have to add only ginger, okay? And this is, I don't have much vegetable today. I add some little bit carrot. I'm gonna mix this. Okay. Now I'm gonna add this to the pot soup. You can do whatever you want. You can use your hand and make a little bit ball, but I'm gonna use the spoon like this. Make small bite size, okay? If you wanna do big one, except to you, but I do small, the bite size. You can do like this. Let me show you. You can do like this too. Like this. Okay? Whatever you want, except to you. What easy. Continue to do this until the meat is done, okay? I'm gonna make a ball like this. Remember, if you don't wanna use your hand, you use your spoon. Do like this, okay? Add some mushroom to the pot, okay? Like this. Add some carrot. In here, I don't add anything yet. I'm gonna add some salt and sugar and chicken flavor. Okay, the tang sai, you can get some in Asian market, supermarket in Sacramento, but in Chico they don't have this one. It's not celery, okay? This is tang sai. Now I call tang sai, but I don't know in English. But this one is you can get at Asian market. Until everything's cooked, then I'm gonna add this tomato. Remember, this clear noodle you can get in the Asian market too. You know why? Don't add right now. When you're ready to eat, then you add this one. If you add right now, gonna be and the noodle gonna take all the soup away. You know, this one gonna be get bigger and bigger. You're not gonna taste better. Okay. And after that, wait until everything cooks. I like to add the white pepper to the soup. Make more flavor. Come check the pot soup with me. It's boiling now. If you don't have this, you don't have to add, okay? You add on ginger or what kind of vegetable you like. Napa, cabbage, zucchini, whatever you like to add. That the vegetable you like. But it can do this kind of soup and have this more better. But if you don't have, you don't have to use. Okay. I'm gonna add some tomato. My soup I like colorful. Every time I cooking, I love colorful. Alright guys, let me taste again and how it go. Let me taste again. Yummy, yummy. Winter time, it's good to have this soup, okay? And oh my god, when you have this soup, you don't want to eat anything. Just really, really good and yummy. Okay, like that. It's done. I'm gonna make my bowl. You can, the noodle, you can use the filter to dip in here to make it cook a little bit, or you can put in a bowl and put the soup over. Gonna be cooked by itself, but I just wanna make sure it's cooked. You know, I do like this. See, I cook already, and I like to eat like this when the winter time. I like to eat a lot. I like more color, more soup, and I want everything on my bowl. And add a little bit green onion. I don't know why I like a lot of red pepper. That's why. Maybe more flavor. This one is done. Wait for my kid get up. Yummy. Okay, everybody, the glass noodle soup. And it's done for today. If you like to try some at home, please do. It's really easy, really quickly. Please follow Naly Kitchen, like and subscribe for me. See you next video, guys. Bye bye.